welcome back. And if you haven't watched my videos, I go by Harper & Company. And today we are going to be making homemade wrapping paper that you can use for small gifts. Now the supplies you'll be needing is 3 pieces of cardstock paper. This thread, you can also use yarn or a different type of thread if you'd like. Some tape. And an assortment of pens. Now let's get to it. First, you're going to grab your 2 pieces of cardstock and put them on top of each other like this. Now, you're going to grab your tape and take a fair amount off and tape it from here to here like this, and then take your extra around like that. Now you have your first piece of tape on. It should be easier. Grab another piece about the same size, put it on here, and then it's easier if you press down like this. Now you're going to want to grab another piece of tape, same size, put it on and press it down. And then one more piece like this, and you're going to put it like that. Press it down on the seam. Then now that you have extra right here, you're going to flip it over to this side and pull it down like that. Now that you have all of your tape on this side and it's pressed down well, you're going to flip it over and do the same thing on this side. Piece of tape, one here, and press down. Piece of tape, press on. Now that you have done this side and is well pressed down, you're going to flip it back over and add your your third piece of cardstock paper. Now you're going to put it on top of your second piece. Grab a fairly long piece of tape. Start here, press it down, and then put the extra that's hanging off here, flip it over, and press it down. It does not have to be covering this seam, but it can. Now, you're going to grab another piece of tape. Make sure that this is straight. And press it down like this. Now, another piece of tape, press it down, piece of tape, press it down along the seam, and this piece does not have to be that long since there's not much of a space here. And then you're going to grab that, press it down, and you see this extra right here? You're going to flip it over and push it down like that. Now that you have this side all pressed down with tape, you're going to flip it over and do the other side. And one more piece. And see here, where there's extra right here, you can still flip that over to the other side. Now that this back side is all pressed down, you can flip it over. And now that all your cardstock paper is all together, you can draw a picture or you can just leave it blank. It's your choice. But I, due to the season, I'm gonna draw a Christmas tree here and some snowflakes around it. Now that you have drawn your picture, you can turn it to the side again. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna roll it up just like you would with the scroll. But first, flip it over so that the design is showing when you roll it up. Now that you have your wrapping paper scrolled up, you're going to take a medium-sized piece of tape and put it right here so that it secures your scroll or your wrapping paper while you are tying it. Take another piece, put it just about the same place. Take one more piece, and you're going to put it right at the same place. So now it's closed when you tie it. Now you're going to grab your thread, and what you're going to do is you're going to tie it around your wrapping paper so that it has more of a together look. Now that you have tied your thread, grab some scissors and you are going to cut off right here. Now you have your wrapping paper. Have fun and hope you like it. Bye!